First of all, good morning, everybody. We're recording this so that you will be able to use this and watch this later. But these are word problems related to the slope-intercept form of an equation, y equals mx plus b. But now you're going to see this in a word problem. You have to think a little bit about it. A charity organization is having a fundraiser. P represents the profit in dollars after a number of tickets are sold. If it's 0 tickets, then they're going to lose money because there are expenses. So a negative profit means the expenses exceeded the income from the tickets. It's logical, right? If you create an event, it costs money to rent the tables and the dining stuff or whatever, and then nobody comes and nobody gives you any revenue, you'll lose money. You have to pay the expenses. So in this case, if 0 tickets are sold, I put in n equals 0, and I get 0 times 70, and I end up with negative 1,500. So they've lost 1,500. That's the starting point. This essentially is, and I'll write it down, y equals, it's the same format as our slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So the y-intercept is, this is b, right? That's the y-intercept. It's equal to 1,500, and that's exactly what it is on the graph. And it makes sense that on the graph, there are no tickets sold. That's at n equals 0, then this is where we are. We're at 0, 1,500. Please write these down. This is part of your assignment you have to write down. So from here, well, if we sell 1 ticket, we're still going to lose money. If we sell 2, what if we sell 10 tickets? Then we get 7,000. So you're going to make a lot of money. So, but where's the break-even point? 10 tickets is $700. That you're going to lose $800. 20 tickets is going to be $1,400, and if you do 22 tickets, you're going to have a little bit more. So let's say this is 10 tickets. Let's space this out a little bit differently. So let's say I'm going to do it in 5. So this is 5, 10, 15. So 22 approximately here is going to be approximately the break-even point. It's not exact, but it's just over 20 tickets. And when we draw a line, you're going to have something like this. Profit, over here is profit, here's a loss. And that is an analysis of how this goes. So when n equals 0, if I were to put n equals 0, no tickets sold, I'm getting P equal to basically 70 times 0, and this is how people got that answer, minus 1,500. Everybody get those in there. Is there anybody having any trouble seeing the screen? Anybody having any trouble with their Nearpod? Let me know now so I don't sort of wonder what's happening. Going around the room and looking at this, I see a lot of great work here. Nice job. Skylar, you're doing great. That's what we've got here. We've got a graph. We've got some nice things in blue. Nice work. Good work here. Excellent. You got the graph. You have some work on the equation itself. Thank you, Brandon. Good job. Thank you, Estrella. You've got your graph. You got this. You've got in blue a little bit more moving right along. We got lots of great work here. Again, we've got the graph and we have all the work. Nice job, Blake Barzy. Yeah. And excellent work from Noah. Lots of stuff there. All working out, guys. Our team has some nice work there. I know it's not so easy to write with one of these pens. There's Luke. And excellent work, guys. Fantastic. Thanks, Jackson. I appreciate it. So this should make your Khan Academy assignments easier. Remember, our top priority, of course, is still to get the test done. This one's, Dylan, you want to work on that a little bit more. Don't forget to watch and look at what I wrote in terms of the notes so that you can get that. There's our final. Guys, let's go into Khan Academy now. It's time. See you all later. Have a great weekend. I hope all is good and you manage to do well on these assignments. Bye for now.